The SEMrush Writing Assistant tool is designed to help you write more SEO-friendly content that's more readable and that will also convert better. So let's take a look at how this tool works and show you exactly how you can use it to optimize your SEO content. So first thing, when you're in SEMrush, if you don't already have an account, I'll leave a link below where you can sign up for a trial and actually test all this different stuff out. But from there, once you're in your account, go over to content marketing. You'll need to click this little drop down arrow. Then you'll see SEO Writing Assistant. When you click on this, you can click Analyze My Text. It's going to give us some different options here. Initially, we're just going to drop in some content. So I just did a search for how to write SEO content. And then I found this article. It's ranked #1. Well, it has the featured snippet, so we'll see how it looks. And we'll take the keyword that we typed in, put it in the keywords. So now we need to give it a target keyword because it's SEO, right? So it's all related to keywords. So we need to say, all right, this is the keyword we're ranking for. Here's our article. Target audience is in the United States on desktop. We could even select a region like state and city if we needed to. But we're just going to do the whole US. And we're going to take a look and see, click Get Recommendations. We're going to see how this thing turns out. All right, so we can see that we've got a mediocre score, 4.4 out of 10. It's got great readability, but terrible SEO. It's interesting that it's ranking #1. In fact, Google's been rolling out some updates recently that are geared towards helpful content. So it's probably starting to rank content that's got better readability versus stuff that's just super SEO optimized, right? Like if your content is providing value to people and people are coming here and reading it and spending a lot of time here and clicking on all these links and finding this helpful and linking back to it, then Google's going to obviously feature it in the snippet up here. But we could take a look at this second article, third article. It's kind of nice. You can actually take a look and see what your competitors have going on and compare what your article is doing compared to their article. You want to do that. So we can come back here. Now, what I was saying before, there's some different options. You've got extensions, little add-ons that you can use that will help you analyze your documents so that you're not having to come in here and manually copy and paste everything over and over and over again. All right, and interestingly, we're seeing something similar here where the readability score is off the charts, but the SEO is actually not what SEMrush thinks would be the most optimal SEO score. So, there might be some things that need to clean up in here too, because we basically just copied and pasted this article in. However, I'm seeing a trend here. If we're going to write some content about how to write SEO content, it seems like Google is preferring content that has a high readability score and essentially is going to provide a lot of value. And as I was saying before, this makes sense because Google just released this helpful content update. And so any content that is not seen as helpful for people, meaning when people are reading through it, Google can tell that they're not actually engaging with the content by clicking on links and spending a lot of time on this page and stuff. If Google's not seeing that happen, it's dropping it down the rankings. So the readability score seems to be a higher indication for this term. Now, Google is changing a lot. It's getting really sophisticated, and their algorithms, basically AI that are rewriting their algorithms constantly, and it's getting to the point where each individual keyword is going to take a different approach. So to rank for this keyword, how to write SEO content, is going to be a different approach than if we were to try to rank for like how to detail a car, right? So keep that in mind, that these suggestions that you get here, at least typically they're going to be based, you should base them on what's already working. That's what I should say. So that's why I was saying take what's already working, take a look at what they're doing, and then try to model after and improve upon what they're doing. So if you could get your readability score higher than this and improve your SEO score, your tone of voice, and your originality, then you're going to have a winning article that's going to have a chance of outranking your competitors. And of course, it's going to tell you what to do here as far as what to change in the readability, where you need to add recommended keywords, fix linking issues, add alt text, all that different stuff. And as we do that, it should change these scores, and we can see it go from, mediocre to 10 out of 10, where you're I don't know if you get to a 10 out of 10, but you get the point. So I hope you found this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about in terms of the SEMrush Writing Assistant tool or anything of that nature, don't hesitate to reach out. You can just drop your questions in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with your online marketing anymore, and you'd rather just hand it over and have somebody take care of it for you, or if you really just want to talk to somebody and get some pointers, let's connect. I do offer consulting. I have different services I can offer to help you grow your business through digital marketing. But yeah, feel free to check out my website. You can come on over to traviswilkie.com. Here's how to spell it because it's kind of funky. But you can come check out some case studies, see the results I've been able to get for my clients over the years. And if you're interested, we can connect. I'd love to help you out. If you can't tell, I love helping business owners grow, especially when it comes to digital marketing. So, all right, I'll talk to you soon. Take care.